HTML provides several tags for displaying lists. Let's go ahead and make a working copy of lists.html, and I'll name this copy lists-working.html. Open that in my text editor, and you can see we have some lists down here of various types. I'll go ahead and display this in the browser as well. So up at the top here, we have an ordered list. You see it's displayed as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's created with the OL tag, which is, of course, a block level container. And each of the items with the LI tag, which are actually inline level containers. And that creates this ordered list. The unordered list is created exactly the same way, except with UL as the outer container and LI as the inner container. And it just comes up with these bullets. And in fact, if I were to nest another one inside of it, I'll just go ahead and indent this so we can see that it's nested and save that and come over to the browser and reload it. You see, we get a different type of bullet. And if I go ahead and paste yet another one inside of those, you'll see we get a different type of bullet again. And likewise, if I nest the ordered list, in this case, I just get numbers again. But if I wanted to do this differently, if I wanted to have, say, Roman numerals or something like that, it's actually possible in CSS to change the way that these behave. So we'll talk more about lists later on, and we'll see some more examples of how we can format these. Let's just talk about this one final type of list down here at the bottom, and this is the definition list. You see it's DL is the outer container, and we have inner containers of DT and DD. So that's the term and the definition. And so we have 1 is the first non-zero number, 2 is the number after 1, 3 to get ready, 4, now go cat go. And these are formatted like this. Now I tend to indent these DDs under the DTs, and you'll see some people will format it more like this. Of course, the indenting is entirely ignored by HTML. It's just going to display it the same either way. So HTML list elements can be very flexible, especially when combined with CSS. And we will revisit this subject later in this course.